As a poultry farm manager, you're facing recurring challenges. Whether it's floor eggs, inconsistent flock health, or cracked eggs, issues that hurt your profitability. Even with the same genetics, feed, and similar equipment, flocks show surprisingly different performances, leading to significant financial gaps among farms. Despite investing in the best housing, egg handling equipment, climate solutions, genetics, and feed, your bird's full genetic potential remains untapped. Until now. Envision getting more control over the operational management of your flock, significantly boosting your financial success. How? By combining our egg waste solutions and expertise, in-housing equipment and climate solutions, egg handling systems with advanced automation, and in-smart data collection across your farm. Our solutions consistently improve the performance of every bird and every flock. Think of improving flock health, lowering your FCR and mortality, and boosting first-class egg production. Automation that lowers labor costs, enabling you to achieve your growth ambitions. While a reduced reliance on labor lowers your stress levels and decreases the risk of hazardous pathogens entering your premises. Through precision poultry management, we'll unlock your bird's genetic potential, leading to more consistent yields. Let's elevate your success to new heights.